A box. Out of kindness comes redness, and out of rudeness comes rapid same question. Out of an eye comes research, out of selection comes painful cattle. So then the order is that a white way of being round is something suggesting a pin, and is it disappointing? It is not. It is so rudimentary to be analyzed and see a fine substance strangely. It is so earnest to have a green point, not to red, but to point again. A piece of coffee, more of double, a place and no new table, a single image is not splendor, dirty is yellow, a sign of more and not mentioned, a piece of coffee is not a detainer, the resemblance to yellow is dirtier and distincter, the clean mixture is whiter and not coal color, never more coal color than altogether, the sight of a reason, the same sight slighter, the sight of a simpler negative answer, the same source sounder, the intention to wishing the same splendor, the same furniture. The time to show a message is when too late, and later there is no hanging in a blight. A not torn rosewood color, if it is not dangerous then a pleasure, any more than any other, if it is cheap is not cheaper. The amusing sight is that the sooner there are no fewer, the more certain is the necessity dwindled. Supposing that the case contained rosewood in a color, supposing that there was no reason for a distress, and more likely for a number, supposing that there was no astonishment, is it not necessary to mingle astonishment? The setting of a stationing cleaning is one way not to shatter, scatter, and scattering. The one way to use custom is to use soap and silk for cleaning. The one way to use cotton is to have a design, concentrating the illusion and the illustration. The perfect way is to accustom the thing to have a lining in the shape of a ribbon and to be solid, quite solid, and standing and to use heaviness and mourning. It is light enough in that, it has that shape nicely, very nicely. Very nicely may not be exaggerating, very strongly may be sincerely fainting, may be strangely flattering, may not be strange in everything, may not be strange too. Dirt and not copper. Dirt and not copper makes the color darker. It makes the shape so heavy, it makes no melody harder. It makes mercy and relaxation and even a strength to spread a table fuller. There are more places not empty. They see cover. Nothing elegant. A charm, a single charm is doubtful. If the red is rose and there is a gate surrounding it, if inside is let in and their places change, then certainly something is upright. It is earnest.